A lot of students have real problems with speaking in English, and often it's because of pronunciation. They think they know how to say the word, and in their mind, they say it well. But when they actually go to say the word, something goes wrong. These become broken words in English, and they stop people from understanding what they want to say. You're a dickhead! I think you pronounced that correctly. This happens a lot when I speak Thai. I prepare what I'm going to say, I rehearse it in my mind, and then I think I'm good to go. Then I get this sick feeling in my stomach about sounding stupid. And I say, Sawatdee Krok, Sabaidi Mai? Are you trying to speak Thai? I think you should speak English. And then this creates